Indonesia is a country rich in abundant natural spices. This is a very valuable legacy from Indonesia's nature. Indofarma Natural Extract Industry is a business unit of PT Indofarma Tbk that focuses on the production of raw materials extracts, traditional medicine products and toll and manufacturing services with the production of dry extracts reaching 150 tons per year. It has obtained 9 GMP certificates for traditional medicine CPOTB from the National Agency of Drug and Food Control, BPOM Indonesia, and holds natural extract industry permits IEBA from the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, as well as HALAL certification from MUI. Products and services include A. Raw materials from natural base extracts, B. Powdered herbs, C. Toll-in manufacturing for traditional medicine products, D. Formula development of traditional medicine, E. A to Z product development of traditional medicine, F. Product registration for OEM schemes, G. Business alliances under co-marketing schemes. Indofarma's extract products include Garcinia, Gotu Kola, Galangal, Sembong leaf, cardamom, red ginger, green coffee, tempuyung, moringa, java tea, and lempuyang. These extracts are on the market in liquid and dry extract form, or as tablets or capsules, set to meet all customer requirements. Making the best herbal medicine using the best of nature.